Hey everyone, Scott here, real estate expert with Exodus Capital. I've been investing in real estate for over 15 years and I've seen it all, from house flips gone sideways to rentals that printed cash like clockwork. Now, if you're new to real estate investing, let me guess, you've probably watched 10 different TikToks or YouTube videos this week, and each one says something totally different. Flip this, rent that, start with Airbnb, do wholesaling. You're left asking, what's actually the best way to start? Stick around until the end because I'm breaking down what's really going on behind these flashy strategies and what most people won't tell you. Also, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family, coworkers, anyone who needs real answers about building wealth through real estate. Your support helps us push this content out to people who actually need it. Let's dive in. Let's start with what you're probably seeing online. 1 minute, you've got someone bragging about flipping a house in 30 days and making $50,000. Next video, it's a 22-year-old with 3 Airbnbs talking about financial freedom. And somewhere in between is a wholesaler saying you don't need any money at all. Sounds exciting, right? But also, totally confusing. This is what we call strategy overload. And it's one of the biggest reasons people never actually get started. Too many options, too many experts, too many YouTube thumbnails shouting, "Start here." Here's what you need to understand. Social media gives you the highlight reel, not the full story. House flipping? It looks glamorous, but what they don't show is the 4 a.m. contractor phone calls or the permits that took 3 months to approve. Wholesaling. The success stories get clicks, but you don't see the 99 leads they chase to close one deal. Airbnb? It's not just making passive income while you sleep. It's cleaning fees, bad guests, city regulations, all of that behind the scenes stuff. It's no wonder beginners are overwhelmed. You're trying to figure out the best path, but everyone is selling you theirs. You know the biggest mistake I see? People jumping into a strategy without understanding what fits their lifestyle, risk tolerance, or goals. You think you want to flip, but do you have time? You like the idea of passive income from rentals, but do you know how to screen tenants or handle repairs? And let's be real, most online gurus aren't giving you the full playbook because they want your attention, not your results. Now, this is exactly why we created the real estate investing course here at Exodus Capital. We designed this course to cut through the noise, walk you through the truths of each strategy, and help you choose the right path based on your situation without wasting time or money. We don't just show you what's possible, we show you what works. So if you're tired of second-guessing your next move, tap the link in the description and enroll today. Let's get you moving forward with confidence, not confusion. Right now, headlines are adding even more pressure. Home prices are rising again in some cities, interest rates are staying high, Airbnb regulations are changing in places like New York and LA. Some markets are oversaturated with flips, others are in serious need of affordable rentals. And with all this chaos, everyone's trying to pivot their strategy. And beginners, they're caught in the middle, watching content that's not even relevant to their market. This is why having the right education that's grounded in the current market, not social media trends, is more important than ever. Here's something most people won't say. It's not about tactics. It's about strategy. You can learn how to run numbers, find a deal, or hire a property manager. But if you don't know which strategy supports your long-term goals, you'll just spin your wheels. And let's be honest, no YouTube short or TikTok video can give you a full strategy. That's why at Exodus Capital, we focus on giving you the roadmap, not just the hacks. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of most people because you're looking for clarity. But remember, strategy isn't one size fits all. Flashy doesn't always mean profitable, and confusion isn't your fault. It's the result of too much noise and not enough guidance. So here's what to do next. Enroll in our real estate investing course, the one built for real people with real goals. Whether you want to buy one rental or build a portfolio over time, we'll help you make a plan that works. Click the link in the description or visit exoduscapital.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your network. Help us push this content out to people who truly need it. Let's build wealth together. I'm Scott, and I'll see you in the next video.